Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 must-visit beaches in Oman. From pristine sands to crystal-clear waters, Oman's coastline is home to some of the most stunning beaches you'll ever see. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have Qurum Beach. Located in the heart of Muscat, this beach is a local favorite. With its golden sands and calm waters, it's perfect for a relaxing day out. Plus, the nearby cafes and restaurants make it easy to grab a bite after a refreshing swim. Coming in at number 4, Mughsail Beach in Salalah. This beach is known for its dramatic landscapes with white sand stretching for miles and stunning cliffs. The blowholes here are a natural wonder you can't miss, shooting water up to 30 meters high during high tide. It's a paradise for both adventure seekers and those looking to unwind. At number 3, we have Tiwi Beach. Nestled between rugged mountains and turquoise waters, Tiwi Beach offers a perfect escape into nature. One of the most magical experiences here is witnessing the bioluminescence phenomenon. As night falls, the shoreline glows with the natural light of tiny marine organisms. It's a mesmerizing sight that feels straight out of a fairy tale. Number 2 on our list is Ras Al Jinz. This beach is famous for its unique pink sands and is a fantastic spot for snorkeling. The underwater world here is vibrant and teeming with marine life, making it an ideal destination for snorkelers and nature enthusiasts. And don't forget, it's also a renowned sea turtle reserve, where you can witness turtles nesting and hatching. And finally, at number 1, we have Fazayah Beach. Hidden away in Salalah, Fazayah Beach is a true gem. With its pristine white sands and crystal-clear waters, it's the epitome of untouched beauty. The beach is secluded, offering a peaceful retreat where you can truly connect with nature. Don't forget your snorkeling gear to explore the vibrant underwater world. There you have it, the top 5 must-visit beaches in Oman. Each of these beaches offers something unique, from natural wonders and wildlife to serene escapes and adventure. Which one will you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching.